A very spacious living room. You will get two parallel platforms. It is very spacious. You can easily place a king size bed. Hello everyone, my name is Purva and welcome to Housey. Today we are going to do the sample flat tour of the residential project AVA Maple located in Borivali East by AVA Life Spaces. As you can see, we are standing right outside the sales office of this project. This is the main road that connects you to the Western Express Highway. And now let me show you the actual land parcel of this project. As you can see, this is the actual location of the project and this is the land parcel where the towers will get built. We will get into the details of this project, but first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2 acres. It will have one tower having G plus 38 stories that include 6 levels of podium parking and 1 level of full-fledged amenities that is spread across 30,000 square feet. Yes, you heard that right. Only amenities is spread across 30,000 square feet. These towers will have 1, 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi option is also available. Talking about the amenities of this project has 30 plus modern amenities having a swimming pool, a gym, a health club, multi-purpose hall, indoor games, library, cricket net, many more. You name the amenity and this project has it. As you can see, this side of the tower will get a national park view, where this side of the tower will get Oberoi Sky City view and this side of the tower will get the Western Express Highway view. Talking about the location and connectivity of this project is located in Borivali East next to Sanjay Gandhi National Park of Western Express Highway. This is the road that connects you to the Western Express Highway and this is the neighborhood of this project. Western Express Highway is just at a distance of 2 minutes walk and metro station is at a distance of 300 meters. Borivali station is at a distance of 800 meters and India's biggest upcoming Oberoi Mall is at a distance of 5 minutes. School, colleges and hospitals are at a distance of 1 kilometer from this project. If you want to know about more projects in this location, you can click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Now we are standing outside the 2 BHK of the residential project AVA Maple by AVA Life Spaces. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 662 square feet. Let's begin with the show flat tour. As we enter, you can see you will get a very spacious living room where you can easily place your sofas, your center table and customize the TV unit as per your choice. Over here, you will get full French windows that will give you a great view and great air. Over here, we have the dining area where you can place a vertical dining table as well so that even a bigger family can be seated. You will get vitrified tiles in the whole apartment. Over here, you can place another closet as there is space given. Moving forward to the kitchen, you will get 2 parallel platforms along with space provided in this corner for your washing machine. You will get a window that will give you great air, a view of the locality. Over here, the space is provided to place your refrigerators. Moving forward, over here we have the common washroom which is very spacious, which will come with anti-skid tiles and high-end wall fittings. As you can see, moving by the kitchen to the bedroom, you will get a foyer area that makes your home look even bigger. Moving towards the first bedroom, you can see this bedroom is very spacious. The side beside the bedroom is also very spacious for one person to walk easily. You can customize your TV unit and your study area in this corner. You will get half French windows that will give you a great view of your neighborhood. You have wardrobe space provided, which is very spacious, and it is tall enough if you want to build lofts to store some things that you don't need in your day-to-day lives. We will move forward, but first let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project, and we also give you full pricing including the EMI and down payment plans. And we also give you a 360-degree view of the project. And if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on Housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom, which is one of the USP of this project. It is very spacious. You can easily place a king-size bed. The space given for the side tables is also very nice, and you can customize your makeup corner and your TV unit as per your choice. You will also get half French windows for great view of your neighborhood. The wardrobe space that is provided is in the corners that will make your room look even bigger. This master bedroom is 148 square feet exclusive of the washroom area. And this is the attached washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and high-end wall fittings. So if you like this sample flat, you can download the e-brochure of this project by clicking in the link given in the description below. And how did you like the project? Do let us know in the comment section below. And if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register yourself at Housey.com. And before going, I would like to ask you one question, that how do you like our videos, and if there are any changes you need in the videos, do let us know in the comment section. And before going, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. Till then, bye bye, take care.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.